What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So this is the latest mid-tier smartphone from Samsung. This is the new Samsung Galaxy A8. And we go hands-on with this device today to give you a first impression. So some specs off the bat, we've got 2.5D and a 3D glass with metal frame. In terms of size, you got 5.6 inch Full HD Plus display. So that's 1080 by 2220 Super AMOLED display. You got infinity display just like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 as well. You have a 16 megapixel camera shooter here on the rear, which is f1.7 aperture, and on the front you got a dual lens setup here for wide angle capture. So you got 16 megapixel at 1.9 aperture f1.9, and you got another 8 megapixel there as well, which is also f1.9 as well. So this thing is IP68 dust and water resistant rated, and you get 4 gig RAM in there. For internal storage, you get 32 gigs of space there as well, and in some regions you get 64 gig, but you can expand it by up to 256 gig, which is really good. And you get 3000 mAh battery, so it should last you all day. You've got fast charging with USB Type-C, which is great. Also, what we like about this is the fact that Samsung included a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's funny that that's now a thing now with smartphone. We count ourselves lucky to have such thing. When compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, you have no Bixby button, although Bixby is still available on this device, which could be a good thing, some people might say. The camera setup on the back and the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is right below the camera, so you can reach for it very easily. You got flash as well. It feels nice to hold in hand. It's nice and portable. It almost feels like a little brother to the Samsung Galaxy S8 because they look quite similar when you compare them. I really like the gold version, but it's also available in 2 other colors as well, as you can see. But in the meantime, this is the Samsung Galaxy A8. Do let us know what you think in the comments below. All information will be in the description area. Did I also forget to mention you get always on display, so you get really you get a device that feels like the Samsung Galaxy S8 without paying the same price. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.